Fun fact about cabin crew. Cabin crew members are trained in self-defense techniques to handle unruly passengers or potential threats on board. This training includes methods to de-escalate conflicts, restrain disruptive individuals, and ensure the safety and security of passengers and crew members. It showcases the dedication of cabin crew to maintaining a safe and peaceful environment in the cabin, beyond their primary roles of providing excellent customer service and ensuring passenger comfort.